They have happened more often than others. Wow, now a 20x on
them in university for this semester. Cash on with a 10x from the...
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Yeah, that's not it. Anyways, 3,717 players. My congratulations. And again, the betting time is here. Let's go. What you think of guys with BMW? What do you mean? I have a BMW myself. Bets are closed. I love that car. What do you mean? Here we go. Come on. Woo! Pachinko with a 4x from the top slot. Good luck. So, Pachinko? Yes, with the 4x from the top slot. Yay! Let's go, humans. Let's go. Some action. I always up for action. So, players, welcome to Pachinko. Are you ready? With the 4x from the top slot. Exciting. Okay, humans, let's multiply. Well, first things first, let's fill it all up with some multi. So 2x, 5x, 7x, 15x, 20, 25, 40, 100x, and a 4x. So let's multiply. Yes, now the highest is at 400x, which looks really juicy. Can we get it? Can we get it? 400x, we're going for you. Come on, let's go. Excitement. What's happening? Okay, so 160 maybe, 100x would do really nicely. Come on. Oh, that's a 160x. Yes. Amazing. Let's go. Enjoy your win. 7,316 players. Woo, sheesh. Team top one. 22,197 euros. Special compliments all done. Here we go again. Nice. Let's go. Bets are closed. And big spin.
Just wonderful job. Classy. I like classy style, suit and stuff like that. But yeah, to be honest, I really like the crazy time world. It's like, it could be like Portugal as well. That I could just, I don't know, be there, enjoy my time, have some tea, and just have a lovely time there. But yeah. We got found some crazy time. Also, we got a question about Alan. Emmy will be back. I don't know. I didn't ask her where she's going. I guess I needed to do that. But we're back where we began. We got crazy time. And we got crazy time. Big 5x multiply. Even better, ladies and gentlemen. Follow me. Let's make some money. First time was lovely, but this is even better because we have additional multiplier. 5x multiplier. Who's ready for some action? Crazy time action. Oh, I'm so hyped up about this. And there we go. Multiplying everything by 5x multiplier. Oh, this is lovely. I have a feeling that this is going to be a good round. So, ladies and gentlemen, after that, decision time. Choose your flapper. Choose your team. Green, blue, or yellow. I really hope you're gonna capture double as well. Multiplying everything by 2x, and there we go. Final moments. We're gonna use the elbow power, and let's go. 500 is the highest one. Let's go. Well done. 75 on blue, 250 on green and blue. Well done. 7,199 players. What a crazy time. 5x additional multiply. Lovely, isn't that? But hopefully, ladies and gentlemen, hopefully this is...
Woohoo! Let's go, guys. We got ourselves a crazy time. Follow me, follow me. All right, y'all, go ahead, choose the flappers. Green, blue, or maybe yellow. Let's go. Bam. Well, yellow, you got a double. Let's do it again. Enjoy. Whoa! That's another double. Let's go again. Yikes, that's another double. Are you kidding me? Let's go. It's another double. What can I say? Enjoy, guys. Good luck. Guys, what is going on? I'm not sure what's going on here, guys. We got another double. 3.2 thousand X. Here we go. Wow, 480x yellow. Let's go. 41 in total. 140,000. STU 44,000. Take my money and pap. Mwah. Wow, how many doubles did we get? How many doubles was that? 5? I think it was 5 doubles, man.
Well done. And yay, voting time again is open and we can move on. So newcomers, hi, welcome. Good to see you. Oh, favorite one. My day is complete. Wow. I am actually good. Guess what? Yesterday, I passed my last exam in university for this semester. Cash on with a 10x from the TOPSLOT. I didn't pass away myself. I passed the exam, so yeah, I'm really happy, but so tired. But really happy. Really, really happy. Oh, come on, Cash on with a 10x from a TOPSLOT. Okay. Come on. Welcome back, hunters. We did it. We made it Cash in with a 10x from the top slot. That's so spicy. Okay, so 100x for now is the highest multi, but look at this magic. Look at it. Do you see what's happening? A 1k, a 1000x is the highest multi. Let's go! Come on! Okay, I think I can't breathe. Okay. Whoa! Okay, human so players, all of you, I hope you're ready. Well, hunting begins. 1000x, where is it? There are a lot of amazing other things, 500x, I think 700 something as well. So everything is amazing, you just have to guess where is what. Go for it. And let's see, where was the 1000x, where is it? 1k, 1k. Ah, right there down, looking so pretty. Amazing, amazing. 8,278 players, that's a win, my congratulations. Enjoy. Let's go. I turn up and look what happens. Yes, taxi brought the magic. Let's go.
981 players with us. Mr. Jimmy, top of the winner with the 50x, 460.80 euro win. Oh yeah, good job. Yeah, looks like the hard spin is working. That's why I'm not gonna spin any more hard. Okay. On top side for the crazy time with the 2x. I don't know, if somebody would like to invite me to their nightclub, no, I'm not gonna go. There we go, crazy time with the 2x. Woohoo! Let's go to the crazy time. Bam, 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 bam. Bobby's inviting everyone, hurry up, let's go. And welcome to the biggest water wheel in the world. Woohoo! Welcome to the Bobby land. Time to become rich. And that was like a 2x at the top spot for the crazy time. Woohoo! Choose your 5 for a green one, blue one, or the yellow one. Do, 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 do. Final second for your decision. Are you ready to become rich? Bobby's ready. 200x. There we go. $200x blue one, 20x yellow one, 30x green one. And welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. That was a good one, 200x by the way, 200x for the blue flapper. Whee! There we go, final seconds. I tried so hard and not so.
138 among the top winners. Enjoy. If you want to proceed, you do what you need to do. You've got 8 sections to choose from. Some are more likely than others, of course. If you look at the last 20 spins, you'll certainly notice certain things that they have happened more often than others. Wow, now a 20x on coin flip would definitely help. Can we? Yes! Sorry, that was rather loud in the microphone, but we... I mean, this cannot be bad. There is just no way. Angelica, by the way, didn't you say that the next one will be big? I mean, with a 20x top slot, it's gonna be good. Either way, even if the original point is a 2x, even if we land on the lowest, it's gonna be good. We can't go lower than 40x here. And, well, 3x and 7x times 20, 60 or 140x. This is already the best coin flip. We don't even know what we're getting. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. So let's flip. And it's blue! 11 was the lucky one. 2,337 winners. Wow, only took 11 coin flips. But sure, Maria, Dragon, Shiv, win, both among the top winners. There we go. Really long warm-up. Really long warm-up. But hey, we'll take it. We'll take it. 140x on a coin flip.